Welcome back to Guessy Quiz. In this video, we'll guess the famous meme song. 10 questions and 5 seconds to find the answer. For each correct answer, you'll get 1 point. If you are ready, subscribe and let's play. Round 1. Can you guess this meme voice? The answer is Round 2. Can you guess this meme voice? The answer is Round 3. Can you guess this meme voice?
I hope you're enjoying the all-new Grimace Shake. Let's have a taste.
The answer is
I hope you're enjoying the all-new Grimace Shake. Let's have a taste.
Round 4. Can you guess this meme voice?
No.
The answer is
No.
Round 5. Can you guess this meme voice? The answer is Round 6. Can you guess this meme voice?
Emotional damage.
The answer is
Emotional damage.
Round 7. Can you guess this meme voice? The answer is Round 8. Can you guess this meme voice?
It's about power. We stay hungry, we devour. Put in the work, put in the hours.
The answer is
It's about power. We stay hungry, we devour. Put in the work, put in the hours and drive. It's about power.
Round 9. Can you guess this meme voice?
It's about power. We stay hungry, we devour. Put in the work, put in the hours.
The answer is Round 10. Can you guess this meme voice? The answer is How much is your right answer? Comment below. Make sure to like and subscribe. See you.